Tumanic is excited to be unboxing the Infinix Zero 5. In case you didn't know, the Infinix Zero 5 is the latest flagship for the phone manufacturer. From the outside, the box is labeled with pretty awesome specs. So let's go ahead and unbox it already, shall we? There are some more specs listed briefly on the phone itself, such as 6GB RAM, which is impressive for starters. Today we're unboxing the champagne gold color, which is 7.9mm slim, and it has the power button and the volume buttons on the same side. Well, the phone is equipped with two back cameras, one with 12 megapixels and the other being 13 megapixels, plus a 10 times optical zoom. For the accessories, you will find a small pin or clip to help you remove the SIM card tray as well as the memory card tray. Infinix this time has been generous and added a mystery gift in the box, which is a transparent cover for the phone for protection in case you accidentally drop it. So let's go ahead and see how the screen looks like. The screen actually looks stunning in the included phone cover. Additionally, accessories include headsets. Let's remove them from the box and see how they look like. It comes with rubber headsets which are good for your ears and standard. Then next on the accessories you'll find a USB cable. Actually, it is interesting that the Infinix Zero 5 has one of the latest USB Type-C cables on the market, meaning if you've got an older version of Infinix, you cannot share your charger with the Infinix Zero 5 user. Lastly, there is a 3-pin charger head to make your phone battery charging a breeze, especially if you're charging your phone using a PC. So for charging and for data transfer, you can use the same cable. That's it from Tumanic. Thank you for watching the video.